singing Christmas songs.
Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. Today's video is going to be how to shop your closet. I'm going to show you things that I do in order to shop from my closet. As we are aware, in the UK at the moment we are doing a secondhand September, which has been organised by the charity shop Oxfam, and basically it's kind of promoting slow fashion and encouraging people to buy secondhand, be it from eBay, any sort of vintage shops, anything like that. If it's pre-loved, you know, then anything goes. We are just trying not to buy anything new this month. So in order to do that, you need to kind of shop and rethink your wardrobe. So here are a couple of tips on how I do just that. Okay then, so tip number one is to take everything out of your wardrobe and organise. Organise. As you can see, if I just pull away from here, I've got all my hats on the wall. Over here I've got belts, I've got my jewellery just up here. I've organised all my other jewellery as well on the wall. I've got sunglasses, I've got scarves in a bag on the back of my door, and literally I have just surrounded myself with my bits and pieces that I absolutely love and that I go to time and time again, because sometimes, you know, out of sight is out of mind and you forget that you have certain things. So sometimes it's good just to have them around, and it's a good source of inspiration for you to shop your wardrobe. The next thing that actually is within the organising, I've actually done that on my own wardrobe, and I've literally organised my whole wardrobe. I've got jackets, I've got shirts, I've got trousers, etc., and dresses. So it literally, it goes kind of down like so. And then I've got a couple of boxes underneath here with the skirts and trousers in. So where the jackets are, they just sit underneath really, really nicely. Got a couple of bags there and some jumpers. But I literally just took everything out, had a look through my wardrobe just to see what kind of things I want, I don't want. Just take a whole afternoon, try on everything. If it fits, great, keep it. If it doesn't, get rid. Put it to the charity shop. Somebody else will be able to love it. If you think, well, I bought this because I wanted so-and-so, but it's not quite it, get rid of it. You're not going to wear it. So just donate what you don't wear to the charity shop. Give it a second life. Give your wardrobe a little bit of space, and then you can perhaps fill it with things that do hit the nail on the head. So that is my tip number one. Organise your closet or wardrobe. Okay, now tip number two is use the internet. The internet is there as a great resource. But first, before you do that, open your wardrobe and pick out an item. So let's just say I am going to pick out, I don't know, we'll pick out, because it's the biggest thing there. This is going to be my starting point. So I'm going to build an outfit around this top. Okay, so then you can go online, go onto Pinterest, go onto Google or something like that, and type in red flouncy top or something, I don't know, a red lace top, and it will come up with certain things. I've just had a look here, you know, you can just scroll through and have a look and see what kind of things that you want. There's all sorts of different titles, etc. Have a look and see if there's any photos there of anything similar that you've got in your wardrobe. So let's say there's some ripped jeans with this, or even some black trousers, tailored trousers, a leather skirt perhaps, something like that. And that is going to be the basis for how you put your outfit together and how you can shop your own closet. Tip number three is to take tried and tested outfits. So let's say you have an outfit, your go-to outfit, you love it, you feel great in it, change it up a bit. Maybe if you wear it with jeans, why not try and wear it with a denim skirt? Why not try and wear it with a pair of lovely trousers? Or If you've got a top that you know that you really like, try and wear it with shorts or something. Try something a little bit different. You know those pieces work well together, but try and split them apart. You like them for certain reasons, and then try and add them with different pieces in your wardrobe. So one day just take an outfit and then just start pulling things from your wardrobe and thinking, right, will that go, will that go, will that go? Have a look, have a play. Always play dress up as a fabulous lady. Her name is B Jones Style. She has a great YouTube channel. You must go and watch her. She's fantastic. She is such an inspiration. She does a lot of thrifting videos as well. And basically, you know, you've just got to dress up and enjoy your clothes. Here's another tip. This is tip number 4. Take something that you would wear on an opposite season. So right now we are moving from summer into fall, so we're transitioning into a new season. But let's say you want to take, I don't know, a nice satin silk slip dress and pair it with a jumper. These two things are things that you would wear in completely different seasons, but putting them together can make an outfit a lot more interesting. So I like to wear, for example, I love wearing denim shorts with tights in the winter time, just because I just love wearing shorts. I think they're great. Denim shorts are fantastic. There's a couple of pictures here, and you know, I just love wearing them, and I just think it just adds that little bit of a juxtaposition. You know, people are like, she's got shorts on, but it's winter. You know, like in the spring, summer, you could wear like a belted cardigan or something like that. Obviously, if it's not too hot. But, you know, try and switch up the seasons that you wear different outfits, because then that can create interest. And finally, tip number 5. If you have got clothes at home and you know, you've gone through your wardrobe, you're like, oh, but I do like that. I do like that. But I just don't wear it because... Try upcycling it. Maybe if it's a pair of trousers, crop them. Maybe if it's a jacket, as I have done here, I've literally just popped on, I've upcycled it and popped on a Marilyn Monroe stencil and painted it. I've done that with jeans. I've done it with pleather trousers, skirts. I've splattered denim skirts, etc. Just upcycle it. And do you know what? You will probably wear that item a lot more than you think. So I hope you enjoyed my how to shop your closet, and hopefully you can use it as a little bit of inspiration just to get in there and shop your own closet. You've got fabulous treasures in there. You loved that item once. Something made you buy that item. So get it out, have a play about and see what you like. That is the end of that video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Also, if you are subscribed, just click that notification bell, because I've had some people telling me that they didn't realise that I had uploaded a video. And I have. I don't know why, but thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Remember, look after yourselves, look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating!